Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to install Apple Music app on Android phone. So if you want to install the Apple Music app, it is actually very simple. This application is already available in the Google Play Store. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Apple Music. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Apple Music and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here this application is being installed. Wait for a while. While this application is being installed, you can simply scroll down. You can see the more information about this application over here. You'll be able to find the information like reviews, storage, etc. You'll also be able to find the information regarding data safety. Also, you'll be able to see the reviews and ratings over here. You can read these informations very carefully. After a while, your application will be installed. You can see over here your application has already been installed. You can simply tap on the open option. Now your application will be opened and you'll be able to use the Apple Music application on Android. So that is how you install Apple Music on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.